Hi, in this project I want to show you how I refreshed my fall/winter containers for spring. Here are a couple of my planters that I potted in fall. In this one I have a Carex grass and a tricolor heather. The flowers do seem to be a little bit faded, but there is a lot of nice green foliage. I had two violas planted in here, but they did not make it through the winter. In the other container, I have some ivy, another heather, some type of juniper, and a little mounding hebe. And also I had a viola, which up until recently was flowering, but unfortunately it got attacked by aphids, which I have since treated with neem oil, but they are persistent. And these are the plants that were just sitting on my balcony. I picked up this beautiful viola back in the fall. It has been protected from the rain on my balcony. During the freezing temperatures, I diligently covered all of these plants with a frost cloth. The hyacinth I forced in my mini greenhouse, not heated. And then I recently picked up this beautiful pink Alpine saxifrage and some daffodils. First, I prearranged the plants in their little pots, and then I proceeded to placing them. And this is the preview of the other one. And here are the results. So in this one we have the daffodils, which with warm temperatures should bloom in no time, within a week. And this beautiful pink saxifrage, which is dotted with new buds. I absolutely love this violet. And this lovely yellow hyacinth with its gorgeous scent. this was a really quick update of my planters with what I already had on hand. As always, I appreciate you joining me, and I look forward to seeing you in another one of my videos.